So for the video, this is Lara. I've just appeared and this is what she's doing to me. I'll just walk past and see what she does. So is that typical of a reaction for her?
No, not always. Most people, she's fine with. If you're not with Edie.
Jealousy is a human emotion, not a dog emotion.
Really?
Yeah.
So what was she doing?
Possessive.
Possessive, right.
So she's seeing the granddaughter as hers.
Yes.
Which is not a good thing.
No, no.
See, but another person or dog come in, always give them as much space as you can. Do whatever you would normally do. Oh, she's a little bugger, isn't she?
Yeah. Get tired initially. Can we still do that?
Yeah.
And then put this on?
Yeah. Yeah, because you're draining her energy, aren't you? But you're always better throwing a ball up a hill rather than down. If you throw it down, you've got risk of them breaking their legs.
Really?
Throw it up. They have to work harder. Correct that. See how she's gone forward because of that dog? Correct that. So if you need to shorten her up, hold the knot on that lead. That's it.
Hello.
Correct her because she's trying to... That's it. Correct her. Good. That was because the dog passed her. Relax, correct and then relax. No, that's proper naughty.
Sorry.
So you see why I said when I come down she has her teeth out. Did you see them then? And this is what I mean. You can't have that because she's lunging at people.
Because I've got treats in my hand.
Oh no, well you didn't have treats when I come across.
No, but she wasn't as bad as that. That is not.
Any forward movement she does. Keep your arm relaxed. Good. Good. Look at the focus of attention you've got now. Finger to this side. Keep her on your left. You'd let her change side then. She has to stay on your left. Correct that. You ignore the dog. She's horrible. Correct and then relax. Better.
I'm getting more and more nervous now. Is that normal?
Oh, you are?
Just me being an idiot.
Yeah, it's normal.
Don't show this to Max.
Just watch this dog don't dive across to yours. Good. So you corrected her as she was about to... Oh, I might just push me away. Your arm's not relaxed. That's it. Good. Very good. Oh, we've got a straggler. So she's just passed two dogs. A little old one here. Now don't praise because you praised her with a tense hand. Your arm was behind you.